Yeah, what was that? What did you hear?
It sounded
Like someone hollering.
yeah,
Like,
like a,
I mean,
like a moan or something, but it sounded like it came from like.
No, it's trying to draw us out.
okay, well, I'm not being, you
No,
don't,
you want to know what I was getting ready to do? I
What?
was getting ready to crawl in that fucking
well,
hole.
go, watch your language, but go on in
sorry.
there. It's okay. It's his house. Oh, shit. I mean, you guys are seeing this live, okay? As it happens. My heart, man.